Today I'm doing one of those meals on the Blackstone that is absolutely one of my favorites. And it's super quick, easy, simple, and delicious to put together. A meal like this, well, I say a meal, it could be tailgating, it could be just a lunchtime snack, it could be for whatever you want this to be. I just make these because they're just so good. Now, there's a million different ways you can make any dish, but I believe staying kind of with the classic, with the basics, sometimes is the way to go. And as you can see by what I picked out to cook, I kind of stuck with the basics. I mean, sometimes you don't have to get fancy, be good, do you? Sometimes you don't. Sometimes it's nice to get fancy and make people say, ooh, ah, but when you just see that classic food sitting over there, you're like, I want one of those right there. You can keep all that fancy food. Give me one of those right there. So now's a good time to go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up, because it won't take long to put this together. And so I think we need to go ahead and start prepping things up and get to cooking. As far as the prep work goes, all we're looking to do is slice up some bell peppers. I like going with the reds, the greens, the oranges, and the yellows. Just add some classic color to them. Really adds a lot of color to a dish like this. And then you just want to come in here and slice up some onion. Real simple, don't nothing fancy. Use whatever kind of onion you like. I'm just using a yellow onion, and that's pretty much all there is to the prep. Well, I'm seeing that white smoke. You know what that means. It means it's time to put down some groceries on this griddle. Let's throw down a little bit of oil to begin with. Throw it right over here, right in the middle somewhere. Let's go ahead and plop them brats on there. Get them separated. Gotta keep them separated. You ever say something that reminds you of a song you used to know, or still do know, I guess? So anyhow, I got the brats rolling, so let's let them cruise for just a little while, and then we're gonna throw them peppers on. All right, these brats have been rolling for a few minutes now. Let's go ahead and give them a flip and see how they look. Come on, there you go. Oh yeah, getting a good color to them now. That's what I'm wanting right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull them out of the center just a little bit, like so. Grab up a dome and cover it up, and then grab a little bit of water and just kind of spray some under there. And that will help the brats cook more evenly and throughout, and because you know, they got a little curve to them. It's kind of hard to cook them on all sides, but this right here will help a lot. So now that we flipped the brats, let's get them veggies going. I got this country crock drizzle and sizzle. Really good stuff. Put some right over there, a good bit actually, because we have a good bit of peppers and onions to cook. Let's get them going. And I'm also going to throw in some garlic on top of them things. Good, keeping a spoonful of it. Now we're just gonna mix all this up. Get that good buttery garlic taste on these peppers and onions right here. Really gonna bring out the flavor in them brats. Man, this thing's smelling good out here now. That garlic, whoo boy. And what I'm gonna do is kind of keep these over to the edge where it's just a little bit cooler and just kind of let them slow cook. So now we'll just let them simmer on the edge for just a little bit. But I cannot begin to describe how good this griddle is smelling. Them peppers and onions and that garlic. And oh yeah, the bratwurst going under here too. So good up on this griddle right now. And so just every now and then, come in here and just stir up these peppers and these onions. Because we're not looking to cook them way down. We just want to get them softened up. Bring the sweetness out in them. Make them taste really good. You can see, look at all that garlic in there, y'all. Which brings me to a question. Can you have too much garlic? I always hear no. I don't know if you can or not. I've never had too much. Have you? Check on these brats. Oh, I forgot. Test clicks. Looking good. Looking really good. Won't be long. These will be done. Yeah, buddy. Cover them up, let them cook just a little bit longer. So now that these peppers and onions are getting about where we want them, and these bratwursts under here are looking, well, looking really good. I need to toast your buns. So let's get some buns on the griddle. Now, I do these different than a lot of people. A lot of people will open these up and toast the entire inside. I actually seen CJ do this one time. I tried it, and I actually prefer this better. What I do is just lay them flat down like that. And I toast each side. It just gives kind of the top and the bottom a little toast. Really, really enjoy them like that. Try them, see what you think. If you don't like them, hey, go back, toast them on the inside. It's okay. So now this bread is toasted just a little bit on one side. We'll just come in here and just give it a flip. Toast that open side, the part you bite into, the part you see, I guess. Well, you bite into all of it, don't you? Either way, we're gonna toast both sides. Y'all, just like that, everything is ready. So I'm gonna grab a bowl. Go ahead and get these peppers and onions into a bowl, because I have weird people around here. All of them don't like peppers and onions. They're just really weird like that. To get all this into a bowl, that right there is some good stuff, y'all. So we'll sit over there, grab us a cutting board, and get our beautiful brats. Well, there we go. Get these beautiful brats up off this griddle, maybe. Check out our toasty buns. Look at that. Ooh, love a good toasty bun. Now, time to go over here and build these things. Come on. Now, see, I told you, this really does come together quick. Now, I'm going to go ahead and make me one up. I'm going to show you how I like mine. Let me grab one of these buns right here. Now, open it up. I like some spicy brown mustard on mine. I love spicy brown mustard on brats. I just think they just go together. It's perfect. So, I'm going to get some down inside. Grab a bratwurst, put it on there. Get some of these peppers and onions. Put them right on top. Like that there. Looks good. Let's get a little more red in here. There we go. Perfect, perfect. Now that is how you do a bratwurst. I mean, look at that right there. Does it get any better than that? Let me go ahead and make up some more for the kids and for the family. Show you these up close. Then, well, I just gotta try it out. That's kind of what I do. So check these out. You would be hard pressed to find something better for, well, lunch, dinner, well, I see even breakfast. I'd eat these for breakfast. I sure would, because they are delicious. So what'd you think about them? They look delicious, don't they? I'm gonna find out how delicious they really are. I'm gonna take this one right here. Yep. That's exactly what I've been wanting here lately. That is so good. It kind of reminds me like when you go to the fair, carnival, whatever. Get them sausage dogs off them food trucks. They just, I don't know, they just hit different. They're just so good. Make these up. Let me know what you do different. Would you add mushrooms, jalapenos, more garlic? There's all kind of things you can do to these to make them better, or different, I should say. Better is going to be hard to beat because these are amazing. These are perfect. So try these out. Let me know what you think. Enjoy these two videos. I'm going to feed the family. We'll see you next time.